Welcome to my world. Welcome to my world. Give me a thumbs up just for the intro.
What is up, guys? It's the homie Bigg Vic, and I'm back in here with another video. And today, wanted to talk to you guys about the new social media platform, Clubhouse. And just want to give you guys my thoughts on what I think about Clubhouse. I've been on Clubhouse now for about 5 days, just checking out the platform. And to be honest with you, I'm gonna have to say that Clubhouse probably is going to be that next level social media platform where you're really able to connect with people that can really help you build your business, build your network, build your net worth. And there's so many people on there giving so much information in several different rooms. So basically, number one, you have to be invited on to the platform. You have to be invited by, maybe a friend or someone you may know. You only get a certain amount of invites to invite people onto the platform. And me personally, there has to be someone I know that, is really about some business, that's really serious about networking and not just giving away your invites to anybody. Because guess what? When you invite somebody on that platform, their name is attached to you, or your name is attached to that person. So it's somebody that gets on the platform and just does some crazy stuff, as just abusing the platform, you're connected to that person. So people are very cautious about who they give out their invitations to or invites to, because if I'm listening to somebody and I happen to check out their profile and you see at the very bottom, invited by or brought in by so and so, you're not gonna have me looking crazy on the platform like, yo, he associated with some wild people. So that's something that I really liked about the platform. It's definitely fun. It's definitely entertaining. It's engaging, and it's more so. It's not even with celebrities that are on the platform. Everybody sort of has it's on the same playing field. It's not like Instagram where you have a celebrity, you say something in the comments, you really don't. Most likely, you won't get a comment back. But on this platform, it's like, okay, I create a room. I'm the speaker, or I'm the moderator. I can bring you guys up on stage and you guys can talk, or I can bring everybody up on stage. You just need to mute your microphone. So it's like everybody's on the same playing field, and they have rooms for, just about anything that you can think of as far as business goes. Millionaires sharing some of their secrets, a lot of their secrets, and just dropping real jewels and gems for people that are looking for information or people needing help. Listen, on my second day in Clubhouse, I happen to be roaming through the hallways, which is, they call the hallways, is where people have different rooms created. So you can go into the lobby, in other words, or go into the lobby and see what rooms are being created. You can see how many people are in those rooms, how many moderators are in those rooms, and basically you can jump in. There's like a hand signal that you can pull up on the side. You hit the hand, you raise your hand, and people can bring you up on the stage to speak if you have something to add, if you have value to add to that particular topic, subject, or whatever the case may be. But it is, I think, probably going to be the number one social media networking tool that most people are using to build their businesses now. I haven't seen anything like this at all. Some people try to compare it to AOL back in the days when people, you had the chat rooms, but in those chat rooms, you basically were just, kind of typing away back and forth with people. But this is audio. It's only audio. You'll see a picture up there and you'll hear the voice. And you get to converse back and forth with, some of your favorite celebs, will be in that chat room and engaging just like everybody else engaging in the room. So it's really, really different. I happen to be on my second day roaming through the hallways, and I seen a very familiar name. Actually, it was one of my mentors, the legendary Les Brown, and I seen him had a room. It was himself and his son. They had created a room. So I happened to go in that room, and I literally got stuck in that room for about 7 hours because it was so much information being shared in that room. And that's the type of information that I like. You know, I'm all about in that personal development space. You guys know I love reading books. You know, so I have a nice library of books of information on this whole personal development space. So I'm actually working on my book this year, my audio book this year, to put out to the masses. And the information that I got was so invaluable. And I said to myself, I see why people kept telling me about the Clubhouse app. I need to check it out. And I did not have an iPhone at the time. So guess what I did? I went out and bought an iPhone just so that I can get on the platform. That's another thing. Right now it's only available to iOS users, iPhone and some iPads. So it's kind of exclusive right now in its beta stage. I'm sure at some point it'll probably open up to Android users, but while it's only available for iOS users, if I were you, I would definitely jump on the platform, build up your following on there, jump in some rooms. If you have valuable information that you can share with people, I would jump on the app, you know, create a room, become a moderator, or join forces with some other people on there, jump in their rooms, share some valuable information, because while you're in there, there's hundreds and hundreds of people that are inside those rooms and listening to the moderators and, you know, following you when you jump on the platform. For instance, I happened to wait 7 hours to get on the stage in the room with Les Brown and his son, John Leslie Brown. I was able to share my story on that stage, right? And I shared some valuable information. So I'm literally in there bugging out because I'm like, oh my God, I'm in here with the legendary Les Brown and his son. So I shared a little bit of information. And mind you, I waited 7 hours to get on that stage to share just a little bit of information that I was very familiar with, which was my story. And obviously it resonated with some people, because when I closed out and went to bed, woke up the next morning, people were had hit me in my inbox on Instagram, because you know when people click your profile inside of Clubhouse, if you have your Instagram attached to it, your Twitter attached to it, they can just hit the button, go check you out on Instagram, shoot you a DM. And I had new followers on Clubhouse just based on me being in that room, being on the platform, and sharing a little information that, you know, which was my story at that time. So the amount of information that I have to share with people is insane. So I'm gonna be using that platform to tap in with you guys, you know, that follow me here on YouTube, so I can create a room, and instead of just dropping comments in the comment box, we can all get in a room together and just have, you know, really share some valuable information. You guys may have questions you want to ask me. I can pull you up on the stage, ask your question. If you have more valuable information to share with the audience in that room, you know, I'll make you a moderator, and we can just, you know, converse back and forth to help each other. That's pretty much what I do on the YouTube platform, but it's just you guys have to be in the comments versus being able to speak with each other one-on-one, which I think is a powerful tool, you know, to really help people. Like I was in a room with in a millionaire's room, just giving tips and secrets, and, you know, just dropping jewels for people that are in the audience that were in that room. And I seen people get blessed in their Cash App with, you know, with seeds being sown from some of these millionaires that just wanted to give back. They heard people's stories. They just wanted to give back to some of the people that were, you know, having it kind of hard. And, you know, some of their stories were like really, really touching. Like, so it's a valuable platform right now. If you're not on it, make sure you follow me on the Clubhouse app. I'll drop my Clubhouse. It's at Bigg Vic, so you shouldn't be hard to find me in there. Find me in there. You know, hit me up on Instagram, shoot me a DM, let me know, hey, I followed you. I'll probably see it anyway. But make sure you guys follow me on the Clubhouse app. I think it's gonna be a valuable tool. I'm gonna start integrating it with my YouTube. I'll probably pick a day that I'll be jumping on the platform. When you do follow me, make sure you hit the notification bell, so if I do create a room, or once I do create a room, you guys can tap in with me, come in the room, and you know, we can just kick it, man, have some fun, man, and just exchange ideas back and forth. Of course, y'all know we're gonna have that dog talk. Y'all know we're gonna talk about, you know, Reason, Studio 15, you know, other dogs you guys may be working on. We just get to have a good conversation, man, and have some fun. I got 16,000 of y'all. I don't know if all 16,000 y'all will tap in onto the app, get onto Clubhouse, but I'm sure a good handful of you guys will, and we'll have a good time, man. We'll talk some music stuff, man. You know, music, whatever y'all want to talk about, man. I'm helping people, you know, tap into their credit situation if you don't have strong credit right now. If you have questions about that, you know, the SEO stuff, you know, search engine optimization. I'm very familiar with that field. I have a whole business set up on the side, you know, outside of music, where I do SEO work for companies, small businesses. So I have a wealth of knowledge, and I'm gonna share that information with you guys. All you got to do is tap in. Make sure you follow me on the Clubhouse app. But I am more than sure, if you're not already on it, that you found it very resourceful. You found it very helpful, and people are willing to extend a hand to help you on this app. Like I've ran into some very, very, very generous individuals on there with information that are just sharing that information. That's what the Clubhouse app is all about. Of course, you know, you're gonna have some of your rooms that have some crazy topics going on. You can just breeze right past them if that's not your cup of tea. Don't worry about it. Tap into something that's, you know, that's interesting to you, that interests you, and where you can get some knowledge from and grow your brand, grow your business. That's what the app is all about. That's what I use the platform for. And I'm saying right now, this is probably gonna be the #1 app going into 2021, if it isn't already, you know, just with iOS users. And it's literally all types of conversations being had on the Clubhouse app. Don't want to say I'm addicted, but I do love the app. I'm always checking for notifications. And when I'm not doing this, working or creating content, I'm on the app, just seeing if I get another nugget from somebody else. You know, people that are on YouTube, YouTubers are on there giving away some of their secrets, and, you know, just sharing valuable information. Valuable information, man. Get on the Clubhouse app. Follow me, Bigg Vic. Hope this video helped you. If you enjoyed it, make sure you tap the like button. Until I drop another video, y'all know what I say. Always hustle, never stop growing, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.